Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to check your Instagram password change history, you're in the right place. Whether you're double-checking your account security or just curious about your account activity, Instagram makes it easy to review when your password was last updated. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps so you can quickly find this information on your own account. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal Instagram page. Next, look to the top right corner and tap the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. This will open up a list of options for managing your account. From the menu, tap on Your Activity. This section is where Instagram stores all your account actions, from posts you've liked to changes you've made to your account settings. Now, scroll down and tap on Account History. Here, you'll find a timeline of all the important changes you've made to your Instagram account, including username updates, bio edits, and most importantly, password changes. To make things easier, tap the Filter by Updated Type option at the top of the screen. A list of different account changes will appear. Select Password from the list. This tells Instagram to only show you the times your password was changed. Once you've chosen Password, tap on Apply. Instagram will now filter your account history and display every instance where your password was updated. You'll see the exact dates and times your password was changed, giving you a clear record of your account's security changes. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can always keep track of your Instagram password changes and ensure your account stays secure. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for managing your social media accounts. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.